Hi, I'm Carl Lewis, Senior Service Technician here at Norfield. In this video, we're going to be installing the laser alignment tool onto a 250M. The 250M laser attachment kit comes with these components in the box. There is a laser, a switch unit, a mounting bracket, and a power supply. So to assemble the kit, you're going to need an 1/8" Allen wrench and a 2.5mm Allen wrench. So we're going to take the laser and we're going to insert it into the bracket from the back side like this, so that the laser is roughly flush with the front of the set collar. And if you can see the little lines in the laser, they should be parallel with the split in the collar like that. And we'll take the 2.5mm Allen wrench, tighten this up so that the laser unit does not move. We're going to take the bracket, put it in the back of the machine. We're going to use the 1/8" Allen wrench to tighten the two set screws. We're going to position the laser so that it looks like it's roughly in the center of the template, and we're going to position it exactly in the center later. Now that we have the laser mounted, we can plug the laser into the switch unit. There's an inline switch unit, and plug the power supply into the switch unit. The cord on the other end of the power supply will plug into a standard 110 outlet. So I'm going to take a square and draw a line square across the jamb. So I'm going to turn on the laser, take the jamb, put it in the machine. Now that we have a square line on the jamb, we can bring the jamb in, hold it in place, and see whether or not the line is perpendicular to the jamb. See, I missed it by just a little bit. It's almost square, but not quite. So that means I need to loosen the clamp on the laser and rotate the laser slightly so that the line is perpendicular with the jamb. That's better. So now that I have the laser perpendicular with the jamb, I can cut a mortise and see where I'm at relative to the line. So I'm going to offset that, put it against the stop at the end, clamp it in. Now I'm going to cut a mortise. Now I have a mortise. I can take this jamb out, set it down here. I can make a mark in the center of the mortise. So that line is in the center of the mortise. Put the jamb back in against the same stop that I was at before. Now I can move the laser to line the laser up with the line on the center line of the mortise. I'll use the 1/8" Allen wrench to do that. So now the laser is aligned with the center line of the mortise. Now all I need to do to cut a mortise, put a line on the jamb, line that line up with the laser, then when I cut the mortise, the center of the mortise will be on the center line. So now that we have the laser installed and aligned, we can add a couple of sticky bases back here. One there, possibly one down here. that. Put a wire tie on that. Pull the wire up far enough so that the switch is tied up here where it's easily accessible from the front side of the machine. So I'm on the front side of the machine. I can reach over and turn the laser off and on as needed.